Tired of digital clutter? We're showing you the exact tools that help creators and freelancers embrace minimalism and actually stick to it. Watch how to automate your way to simplicity. Minimalism isn't just about owning less, it's about intentional living. For creators and freelancers, fewer distractions mean higher productivity and better mental clarity. Tools can automate decision-making, freeing mental space. Let's explore how smart automation supports a minimalist lifestyle without complexity. First, Notion A for streamlined task management. One dashboard replaces 5 apps. Second, Chat for efficient content creation, eliminating endless research. Third, Descript for efficient content creation in minutes, not hours. These tools reduce friction, simplify workflows, and help you focus on what matters most, your core work. Start by auditing apps you use daily. Replace 3 with one AI-powered alternative. Use automation tools like Zapier to connect remaining apps, reducing manual tasks by 40%. Set notification limits. Enable focus modes within 1 week. You'll notice cleaner workflows and less decision fatigue. Minimalism through strategic tech. Freelancers using these tools report saving 5 to 8 hours weekly. Small businesses streamline admin tasks completely. The key: choose tools with single purposes done excellently. Avoid feature bloat. Quality over quantity, the minimalist principle applied to software selection. Hit subscribe for more tools that simplify your life and boost productivity. Drop a comment: which area of your digital life needs minimizing most? Which area of your